Once you have copied the Google Sheet, the very first step is to do the settings. Now in the automations builder, go to the very first triggered step, start with webhook, copy the webhook URL from here and paste it here. Here we have two options: birthday trigger days before after and anniversary trigger days before after. So if you want to send a greeting of birthday 2 days before the birthday or 7 days before the birthday, you have to set like this, that is -2, comma, if you want the webhook on the day of the birthday, set 0. This will trigger on the day, and maybe 5 days after the birthday, then 5. Similarly, here I want to send the anniversary greeting only on the date of the anniversary. I am simply entering 0. After this, click on save. Now this settings will stay saved forever until and unless you change them. Now in the automations builder, click on capture incoming webhook and then greetings, send greetings. For each contact, if the birthday or anniversary or the conditions are matching, the data will be sent individually. So right now we'll only see one data here, and we need to create appropriate routers. So this is the automation flow that we are creating right now, and we'll also share you the template of this so you can easily clone. So the very first step that we are going to check here is birthday. So if the event is birthday, only then it will go ahead. Next we are going to create one for anniversary. So if the event is anniversary, only then it will go here. Now in case of birthday, let me set first is today. So if the birthday is today, this is triggered. So in case of when is today, save. So if the birthday is today, I can send a template message from the CRM. I'm not going to set the full part of it. You can check out this tutorial and easily achieve it. Now if the birthday is, first I'm selecting send template message. Now I'm adding the appropriate condition here. So 2 days before the birthday, that is 2 days left for the birthday. Two days left. So if 2 days are left for the birthday, I'm going to send this WhatsApp message, and maybe last I'll prepare is maybe 5 days after. So if the condition is 5 days after the birthday, so this message will be triggered. In the same way for anniversary, if the anniversary is today, so when is today, save, CRM, send message. Two days left for the anniversary, so when is 2 days left, then this message will be triggered. Today this message, if the anniversary is today, this message will be triggered. And the last part, so 2 days after. So when is 2 days after the anniversary, then this message will be triggered. We'll be sharing the automation template, this automation template as well, uh, in the video description, so you can easily copy it. And once you have this template, all you have to do is change the filter condition from here, change the filter condition from 2 days to 7 days, maybe 10 days, whatever is your requirement. Just change this and this, maybe copy this and add more routes, and set your appropriate template message. And then you can also map up to 5 variables, name, number, and 5 variables in your template message, which comes from Google Sheet. Now once you have set up all these things properly, remember to click save and also enable the workflow. Now after this, all you have to do is ask your team member to simply every day, maybe at 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. or 12 p.m., simply click on send greetings. The system or the script will automatically check all the conditions that you have set for the birth date and the anniversary, and then it will filter and send your WhatsApp greetings before or after or on the day of the birthday or anniversary. So this is a manual process, needs to be done once daily. One very important note, the calendar here is month, date and year. It is not date, month and year, it is month, date and year. So all of your birthdays and anniversaries needs to be stored like this, only and only then it will get triggered. Thank you.